What up, guys? If you have been mining the ATH on the Athene Network application, you must have noticed we've been earning Lion King meme coin token also every month. It started on March. From March, April, and May. We are in May right now, so it's been for 3 months. They've been giving us this airdrop for free in this application. And recently they made this post in their official Telegram channel saying that they are going to be listing the Lion King token on the 31st of May, and it's going to be listed on a decentralized exchange, which is Uniswap. It will be listed on Uniswap anything from May 31st, 2024. All right. So now in this video, I'll be showing you how you can link up your wallet address, because they are giving us one more chance to link our wallet address so that we can withdraw the Lion King airdrop into our personal wallet. So I'll be showing you in this video how you can actually link up your wallet address, your EVM wallet address, and wait for your coin to land in your wallet. All right, so if you're interested in everything I just mentioned right here right now, you need to pay attention to details in this video. Alright guys, so if you are not yet mining on the Athene Network, you can hop on it right now. The link is in the description of this video. Hop on it and join us. Use my referral code, use my invitation code, so that you can get a bonus, and also join my team in order for us to earn all together. Alright, so once you are in the application this way, the next thing to do in order for you to withdraw, in order for you to link up your wallet address for you to be able to withdraw your Lion King token into your wallet, you need to click on your wallet. Click on wallet first of all. All right, so over here on your wallet, you can see on your dashboard there are some menu over here. So just click on airdrop and click on airdrop. All right, it's going to show you the airdrop, the current airdrop we're having in this application, apart from ATH that we are mining. So this is another airdrop, which is the Lion airdrop. So over here, all you need to do is to put in the amount you want to withdraw from. Over here, you put in the amount. Definitely I'm going to be using max because it's everything. Then you copy your wallet address, you go to your MetaMask wallet, you copy your wallet address and bring it over here and just paste it. Now they are giving us option, but I think it is only Ethereum that is allowed, not the option. The drop down arrow is just there, but there are no other option in it. Let's check it out. All right, so you can see this is what I mean. There are no other option, only Ethereum. So you make sure you copy your wallet address from the Ethereum blockchain. All right, so after doing that, you come over here again and you have to send an OTP. You click on send OTP. They are going to send the OTP code to your email address, the email address you use to register on this application. All right, they will send you a code over there. Then you bring the code from there, you bring it here and paste it in the box over here. Then when you are done, you click this button down here and your information will be sent to the team. We are just going to be patient and wait for a claim button is going to later appear over here. So we are going to wait for a claim button, and once the claim button appears, that's when we can claim it into our wallet. So right now, let's go through the process I just talked about right now. Okay, now quickly I want to first go and copy my wallet address from my MetaMask wallet. So over here in your MetaMask wallet, just make sure your wallet is on Ethereum blockchain. Over here you can see up here mine is on Ethereum main network. All right, so make sure yours is on Ethereum main network. Then you can just click on your address over here. Here is your address. This is your address over here, this code over here. Click on it, then you copy your wallet address instantly and go back to the application. All right, let's do that quickly. Once we get here, all we need to do, I'm going to click on max. All right, because I want to withdraw everything. Then the next thing to do is to paste the wallet I copied wallet address over here. I'm going to paste it here. Good. Then all right, network is okay. Then the next thing I should do here is to click on the send OTP. I'm going to do that right now. Click on it and wait for a code to be sent to my email address. All right, so I just got the code and I just inputted it right here right now. All right, so you need to also take your time to read the warning that is given over here. So briefly, what they're just saying here is every information that you are putting here, make sure you are sure of it, because you won't be allowed to change it anytime soon. All right, so make sure everything that you're putting here is correct. Your wallet address is correct, is the one you know that you have access to anytime, any day. All right, so now the next thing you should do here is to click on send information. All right, let's click on send information. Good. Okay, yes, this is just a confirmation message and I'm going to click on confirm. All right, and all is done. All right, so I've done that. You can see now my balance says 0, and my everything is submitted anyway. So I'm just going to wait for it to get to my wallet. Or according to one of their posts recently, they said we are going to get a claim button that is going to appear here. So we wait for the claim button and we make use of it so that we can get these coins in our wallet. Now, one more thing before I leave, it is said that the deadline for this activity, for linking up of your wallet, is on the 23rd of May. So if you're watching this video before the 23rd of May, you should quickly take action on this before it gets too late. This is for those on the Athene Network application, those of you that have already received the Lion Airdrop in your wallet. All right, so take action now so that you can receive your own Lion in your wallet also. All right, that's the simple way you can get your Lion token from the Athene Network mining application. That is just the simple steps you need to do and simple things you need to do in order for you to receive your Lion token in your wallet. All right, so guys, that's all for this video. Like I said, if you are not yet mining on this application, the link is in the description. I already made videos of how to get started and how you can earn with it, how you can also do trade with the P2P of Athene Network and withdraw your funds into your wallet. I made video on all that. All right, so if you've not seen those videos, they will be in the description of this video. Go down there, click on it and watch to understand how this platform really functions. All right, so guys, if you like what I showed in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload a brand new one. All right, so guys, I see you guys again in my next video. Bye.